As what I said, rain or shine is a team that you cannot, di natin pwedeng baliwalain. Even though that they're down with Norwood, they came out strong. Hats off to the coaching staff of rain or shine. They did a good job on the zone and in their defense and their adjustment. I'm just happy that my wingman, especially Paulo, stepped up in the game in the third quarter. At least nakabalik kami doon. But their zone really lead us tonight. Please Cup bring the leadership in the third and fourth, and it gave us again a chance to defend our crown. We're now in the semis. We're facing Alaska, and I'm facing again my mentor, Coach Tim. So it will be a hard task for us, especially my players. But we'll try to get some good rest in the next 2 days, and hopefully prepare for Alaska on Monday. But hats off to rain or shine. They did a good job tonight. Yes, sir. As of now, sir, siguro depende dun sa magiging sitwasyon ng team ko in terms of conditioning. Right now, medyo masyadong back-to-back kami ngayon. Alam niyo naman na medyo hirap yung team ko pag back-to-back games. So I'll see the next 2 days kung ano mangyayari. But it's a defensive type of series right now. Alaska is the #1 defensive team. We're the #3 defensive team right now. So if the flow of the game will go on defense, the series will be a long one. Kung depensa lang. Defensive struggle ulit. Tama ka doon. So we're hoping that our conditioning will come through to us in this series.
Kasi tingin mo ano yung advantage sa inyo dahil the obligation pala?
Well, hindi magiging advantage sa amin yun because I know Coach Tim. He will try to find ways and para hindi sila ma-stagnant yung team niya. So I expect that even though Alaska have a long vacation like 20 days or approximately 25 days, still Alaska yun. So I don't expect them to be something like rusty. We just have to be ready with Alaska. Yes. Ang sabi ko nga, medyo mahirap i-explain na kasi we started strong the first game with a complete lineup of Puelco. Tapos ngayon, without Norwood, ang sama ng umpisa namin. Sama ng tinatakbo namin. It's probably more of the mental state of my players. Medyo, they thought that rain or shine will give that game a special platter. Pero, hats off ulit ako dun sa players ko. Talagang hindi sila bumitaw. So, ibig sabihin nun, sana matuto ulit kami. It's a different series against Alaska. So, we should be ready mentally with them. And hopefully, we'll be playing defense against Alaska. So, happy ako ngayon at medyo napunta namin kami sa semifinals. Even though sa lahat ng tinakbo namin elimination at ito sa quarters, medyo masama ang tinatakbo ng team. On and off akyat baba, walang consistency. But hopefully, pagdating nitong semis, it will be a different situation for my team. So hopefully, more of mental state kami ngayon, mental ng players ko. Hopefully, magawa namin ang para.